Hello everyone, my name is Al Revelis and I'm a Salesforce administrator at Kicksaw, and today I'm going to show you a nifty way to use the transform element in Flow. So the use case here is I have a scheduled triggered flow that runs nightly that creates renewal opportunities when opportunities meet a certain criteria. And one of the requirements is to bring the opportunity contact roles from the original opportunity into the new renewal opportunity. Normally, how I would have accomplished this was to use a loop with an assignment element. So you can see here, we use a get records to grab the opportunity contact roles, and then we loop through them. And in the assignment variable, we copy the necessary information, the role, the contact ID, if they're a primary, the opportunity ID, and add them to a record collection that eventually creates these records. So with the transform element, it can be done in a much simpler fashion, I believe. I'm a big fan. So here I've gone ahead and set it up. I've added the transform element here after the decision element, named it, added a description, and I'm going to show you essentially what we need to plug in so everything works. So we'll go ahead and want to add our source data, which in this case will be the original opportunity contact roles. And we will also add the new renewal opportunity variable because we need the ID of the opportunity to assign it to the opportunity contact role so they get associated correctly. And then the next thing we will do is add the target data. In this case, it's going to be a record, and we're going to allow multiple values, a collection, because we're going to potentially create multiple opportunity contact roles. As you can see here, the object is the opportunity contact role object. So we'll go ahead and hit create. And the next thing we'll do is just connect the dots. So we will start with the contact ID of the original records and plug it into the record variable of the target data. We will also take the primary and plug it in as well. The role, go ahead and plug it in. And the ID of the renewal opportunity, which gets created in the same flow, we'll go ahead and plug it into the opportunity ID there. So from a visual standpoint, it is much more simpler to kind of understand what is going on data-wise using the transform element, comparing it to the old combo of a loop and assignment variable. So we'll go ahead and save that. And here I have a debug of what that looks like after everything is said and done. And one of the things that I love about the transform element is it actually shows you how the data is coming into the element in what I believe is a JSON format, and it's getting combined and added. So you can see there was two contact roles here, and they were you were able to see the opportunity ID, the primary, and the contact ID. So that is the transform element. Very nifty. It is in beta, but you can find more information about it in the Winter 24 release notes. Thanks for watching.